Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful gown with an handkerchief flare. So let's get started, guys. So to start off, I'll be drawing my basic pattern. I'm just drawing it here. You can see everything is here. This the chest line, bust points and all of that. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be placing the bust measurement, which is 36 divided by 4, that is 9. I'll be placing that 9 like that, and I'll be going down by half of 8, which is I think half 4 or thereabout, and I'll be going in by half of an inch just to form that that curve, armor curve. So what I'm just trying to achieve here is just the armor curve. So guys, I'm just trying to make my armor curve using my French curve. If you don't have a French curve, you can just use your free hand, no problem. So the next thing is that the bust nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. For me it is 3.5, and I'll be placing the 3.5 like that. So I'll be making a straight line across it just like that. So guys, after that I'll be going in by half of an inch towards the side, like half of an inch towards the side. Please get that right, half of an inch towards the side. Then I'll be going down by 1 inch from the bust point. I'll be connecting it like that. 1 inch toward to the bust point, half of an inch towards the both side. Then basically that's just it. So guys, after that, from the chest line I'll be going in by half of an inch, and I'll be connecting it to my neckline. So I'm using 3, the wideness is 3, so I'm just going down connecting it like that. So the next thing is that from your underbust, you use your cuff to just connect it just like that, making sure that it is sitting well on it. So simple to make. So just use your cuff to connect it to your underbust. So here, whatever you're having there, you just divide it by 2, you mark it, then so you mark it like so. You just connect it to your armhole just like that. So from there you'll be using your French curve to just make a curve just to the underbust like that. So basically this is how it is. It's this simple. It's very simple to make. So here I'm just placing my measurement. The waist measurement is 28. Whatever I'm removing it, I'm returning it back, and I'm adding 1.5 inches for the allowance. So making that my 28 divided by 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 plus 1.5. So I'll just be adding 1.5 inches for my stitching allowance to the side like that. And the next thing I'll be doing is that I will be cutting this out. So guys, I'll be cutting it out. So one thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I'll not be having, when after I cut it out finish, I want to make sure that the waistline to the underbust, it will be one piece, and the upper part too. So just be careful when you're cutting it out, and please watch closely the way I'll be cutting it so as not to make any mistake. So I'll be cutting out my neckline. I'm cutting out the shoulder to the armhole just like that. So guys, I'm kind of paying attention to this part. So you want to cut out that half of an inch. Ensure you don't cut it too inward, or you cut it more than what you should. So after that, I'll just cut it out. I'll cut the cuff out the way it is in the pattern paper, just like that. So guys, I will so for this part I'll be cutting one part out, and I'll be placing it on the other one like that, and I'll be using a tape to just secure it because I don't want a joining there. I want it to be one piece, so I'm just using my tape to secure it down just like that, because I want underbust part to be one piece and not something like that I have to be holding the dart again. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So guys, that is one. I'll be setting that aside. So I'll be moving down here. So for this part, it's, if you check the picture, it's having like a gather. So what you do is that you mark, you just split it like so, then you connect it downward. The aim here is to expand this cup so that you had more room for the gathers. So this method is called slash and spread. You want to slash and spread it so that you have more fabric so that you can do the gathers later on. So I'm just cutting it out like that. Ensure you don't cut it to the end, please don't cut it off. So I'll just be slashing and spreading everything one after the other like that. I'm really taking my time for this so that you guys can see exactly what I did. So guys, after slashing it, you will take another piece of pattern paper and you'll be spreading it on it like that, using your tape to secure it, and you ensure that the wideness you're having from one point to another point is like 1 inch. 1 inch is enough. Actually, for this pattern I actually use 1.5 inches because depending on how busty, but then I realized that it was too big and I have to reduce it to 1 inches later on. So you want to use 1 inch. 1 inches is okay, even with someone that have a bigger bust. 1 inch is okay, or even less than that. Even you can make it 0.75 or 0.7 inches is okay as well. So you don't want it to be too much that after you gather this to be puffy. You want it to sit well on the bust. So I later reduced mine because here I use 1.5. Then I realized that it was too much, so I later reduced it, guys. So guys, after you finish putting everything together, you draw another line around it to just form another cup for you. So basically that is it. It's that simple, guys. So yeah, I'm just ensuring that I drew my cuff out. So guys, that's what I will be doing. So guys, this is the back piece. So this is the back pattern. I've already drafted the basic body. So here you can see the zipper and all the necessary lines. So here I'll be placing my bust measurements and I'll be connecting it to the armhole to form the armhole cuff. So guys, after doing that, I'll be placing my that measurement with 3.5 and I'll be connecting it straight to the chest line like that. And from the chest line I'll just be going down by 1 inches. This is totally, like, you can decide to go down by 1/2 inches, but 1 inch is okay. And I'll be taking half of an inch from both sides just like that, and I'll be returning back my dart measurement for my dart intake, rather 1 inches, and I'll be adding 1.5 inches for the side allowance. And for the neckline I decided to do exactly what I did at the front, so I'm just connecting it straight down. That is like 3 inches to my chest line, and I'll just be cutting that out like so. So guys, I decided that I want another kind of fabric for the upper part, and I want another kind of fabric for the lower part. So I'll be cutting it out so that what I'll be having for the is more like a yoke. So don't worry, you'll be seeing it when I drop the sewing video. So here I'll just be cutting it out like that. so that what I'll be having up will be different from what I'll be having down. I want the fabric, I want a I think I use a doll face for the down part, and for the upper part I use my chiffon. So guys, I'll be going in by half of an inch later on to just reduce the zipper budget. And this is it guys, so this is everything after I finish cutting it, and I'll be showing a video separately on how to sew it. So we'll be moving to the handkerchief flay. So this is how I'll be doing it. I'll be folding into to fall like that. I'm just trying to demonstrate what I did, and I'll be placing it like so. You can see the end here. So for flay, you should know that for a 360 flay, just do your waist divided by 4. So my waist is 28 inches divided by 4 will give us 7. So whatever I want must be around 7 there. So I'm just trying to place it to see exactly why my this thing will start my measurement. So I realized that 5.5 is okay, and it will give me 7. So I'm marking 5.5 inches, and I will be connecting them like that, making 5.5 inches all round like so. So after doing that, I will just measure it and make sure that it is exactly 7 inches, or it might be a little bit bigger than 7 inches. So I think what I had after everything was around 7.5, which is very okay because I've still had it to the zipper. So here I'm just marking it out, which is okay. And I'll be placing the measurement I supposed to have, and I think the measurement I used here, I don't remember, it was I think around 20 inches or so. So I'll be placing the 20 inches on both sides, or probably it's more than 20 inches. I think it's like 23 inches or so. So after doing that, I want my own handkerchief plate to be like equal and to be at the center. So what you do is that after placing it like that, you ensure that the measurement you're having at the center, which will be the point of your handkerchief flay, it is no longer than your flay than maybe like 6 inches. You see what I'm trying to say? I'm trying to find the center here, so I'm placing whatever my 24 inches by 24 inches like so, so that I will mark the point. And whatever it is like there at the middle, don't worry, I'm just trying to find the middle here. If you know how to find your middle, it's okay. For me, this is the way I use to find my midpoint. So whatever you're having from your midpoint to your circle flay, ensure that it is no longer than 6 inches. I think here mine was around 30 inches. So if you check it, I think my flay is 24 inches. So 24 inches to that center is 30 inches. So that means I added 6 inches for it to just be, it's longer than my flay with just 6 inches, and 6 inches is very much okay. So guys, so this is basically how you cut your handkerchief flay. So the next thing I'll be doing is just I'll be cutting it out like that. You can decide to add style to it, curve it anyhow you want, but basically this is how you make it. You find the midpoint, then you make sure that from your midpoint to your center of the flay up, it is no longer than your actual length by 6 inches, because if you make it like 10 inches, it will be so long, or maybe like above 6 inches will be too long. So basically this is it guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ensure you watch my next video, so stay tuned and bye.